Welcome to Kanto Karaoke. Here is the main interface of the program. Very simple and tidy. On the left, you can see all the audio settings. On the right, there are all tools you need to manage the playlist. Let's see how the program works. Click on Open File in the lower right corner. Choose the karaoke song file you want to play. The karaoke text will appear in the center of the program. The music file will be highlighted and will be visible at bottom right of the program in the section called Live Performance. All commands are at your fingertips. Volume, the play and pause button, the stop button. You can add songs in the program for fast playback even by clicking the Add Song button under the Live Performance section. In this section, you can also add the two later tracks to play. The fade-out function allows you to switch from one song to the next without abrupt interruptions, and it makes this program really professional to use. Let us now see in more detail all the Kanto Karaoke features. On the left of the main screen of the program, you can change the tone and the speed of the song. If the song is included into a playlist, you can also save these settings so that you do not have to make changes every time. The MIDI channel button opens the window with all channels of the MIDI file you are playing. The melody button allows you to quickly activate or deactivate the melody track of the song. By clicking on the Edit menu, you can adjust many other settings. Sound fonts are sound championships that serve to make better the sound quality of the MIDI file. The MIDI out option allows you to play MIDI files via external devices. For those who want to customize the software, you can change the screen from the menu. As for the karaoke lyrics, it is all customizable: font size, text color of karaoke lyrics, and number of lines to display. For registered users, it is available the background function that allows to change the background image of the karaoke program. You can also add your own photo. At any time, it is possible to reset the default image, clicking on the dollar icon. Let us now move on to the management of playlists. To create a new playlist, click on the Add button. Enter a name for the playlist. Once created the folder of the playlist, you need to import songs. You can simply drag the songs from your computer within the program. Or click the Add button and then decide whether to add one file at a time or a whole folder. Once the songs are imported, in the playlist just double-click on a file to start playing. In the Live Performance section, you can see the songs that are playing and the next two songs that will be. If you want to make karaoke lyrics appear on a second monitor, all you have to do is click on Dual Screen button. A new window will open that you can move to another monitor. You can use another PC or your TV screen as second monitor. Kanto Karaoke, unlike others players, is the only one that can support all karaoke formats. You can play MIDI file, MP3, CDG, Karafun songs. You can play also karaoke video files in MP4 or AVI format. You can finally use a single program to reproduce all karaoke music at your disposal. For all these formats, you can apply all settings seen before, such as changing pitch and speed. Use the dual screen and adjust the karaoke text color. Now let's see how to convert your MIDI files into a MP3 file. Go to File menu and click Convert MIDI to MP3. Then select MIDI file to convert and enter a name for the MP3 to create. Below are two options. The first allows you to automatically remove track of the melody of the MIDI file. The other option allows you to keeping karaoke lyrics when converting to MP3. This is a truly innovative feature that Kanto Karaoke offers its users. To conclude this video tutorial, let's also see how to use the function of the voice recorder. Get a microphone and connect it to your PC via USB cable. From the program, then go to the bottom right and from the drop-down menu select the microphone just plugged in. Now play the song and click the red button to start record your voice while singing on the song. At the end of the song, click again the red button to stop the recording. On the left of the program under the registration section, a file will appear. Double-click on it to open the folder where you will find the output recorded file. Now you just have to check the result. If you are not satisfied, you can repeat the operation by modifying, for example, the microphone volume or music and optimize the recording. This video tutorial ends here. Thank you for your attention, and we invite you to contact us for any problems or suggestions. Access our website www.kantokaraoke.com and become part of our community. See you soon.